viewer recently asked me what she could do with clothing items that just aren't any good anymore. Whether it's an old hanky or an unmatched sock, or heck, even if it's some holy underwear that you just don't plan to use anymore, you can use them again by making your own all-natural dryer sheets. All you have to do is put some vinegar into a jar, add a few drops of your favorite all-natural essential oils, shake that solution up in the jar, and then add your discarded clothing items like this sock, this hanky, or these holy underwear. Whenever you're about to start a new dryer load, just pull one of the clothing items out, wring it out of the solution so that it's just damp, not soaking wet, and then just throw it in with your load and then start it like normal. The vinegar helps to soften your clothes up, and the all-natural essential oil helps your clothes smell fresh and clean. And when your laundry's done, you can put your homemade dryer sheet right back into the jar and collect the same vinegar and oil that you already have in it. Shake it up, and it's ready to go once again. So don't throw out those old cloth scraps. Give them new life by repurposing them as an all-natural dryer sheet. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.